Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Audi remote key fob. What we need to do first is we need to slide out this emergency key fob blade out the bottom to gain access. We do that by pressing this button here, which releases the catch, and the key fob just slides out. Now what we need to do is press this button here, which releases this housing here that slides in and out of the key fob case. So we press this button like so and just slides out the housing. It can be a little bit stiff if it hasn't been out before, so just bear with it. And there is your key fob battery. Just simply take it out of its housing like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply pop the key fob back into the housing, making sure that the writing is facing downwards, like this, and we know it's in its correct location. Now it's time just to pop the housing back into the key fob, like so. Just slide it in so it clicks in place. And now it's just time to pop the blade back in. Make sure it all clicks, and there you go. It's all done.